Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity, sound blending, N-words. Hello kids, we are going to learn how to make N-words using sound blending. First up, D plus N equals den. Say it with me, D and den. A den is a cozy cave where animals like lions rest. Next, H plus N equals hen. Let's say it together, H-N, hen. The hen gives us eggs. Yum, egg. Let's try another one. M plus N equals men. M-N, men. Look at those smart men in suits. Moving on, P plus N equals pen. P-N, pen. We use a pen to write and draw. Last one. T plus N equals 10. T-N, 10. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. You did an amazing job blending sounds today. Let's say all the words we learned one more time. Den, hen, men, pen, ten. Great job, little learners. Keep practicing, and you'll be a word wizard in no time. Next time, we'll discover another fun activity. See you soon. Bye-bye.